In this video, I'll guide you on how to resolve the issue when the recipient's account is unable to accept payments on cashapp and when you see this type of error message. One reason that your recipient can't accept payments is that they have this option turned off. If that's the case, tell your recipient to turn it on. After trying to turn it on and you're still facing difficulties sending money and encountering a message stating the recipient's account is unable to receive payments, ensure you have entered the correct cash tag or phone number for the recipient. If the information is correct and the issue persists, proceed to the next step. Reach out to cashapp support to address and resolve the issue. Open your device settings and check that you are properly connected to the internet. In the settings, tap on General and then select Date and Time. Ensure that your date and time settings are accurate. Confirm that the recipient's cashapp account is activated. Verify that you have obtained permission from your bank or cashapp card issuer to make the payment. Now, scroll down and click on the support option here. Wait for a little bit and scroll down, then click on the payments option here. Scroll down and tap on sending payments. You can scroll down and tap on report a payment issue or click on the chat option here to contact cashapp support and explain the problem, detailing that you are trying to send money but it is not working. You should receive assistance in resolving the issue and your payment problem should be fixed.